Okay, so we're going to do the Cabaretti box first. So, okay, within that there should be a snazzy deck box. Okay, so we've got a green die. We've got, okay, so we've got a code card. We got just that kind of topper thing, just a bit of card. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, so we've got 5 draft boosters. Then we've got this is the family booster. Pre-release and promo card. Okay, so I've not seen one of these before, so we're going to nail this one first. That over there. Okay, so we've got a citizen token. Okay, we got common. So we've got 2 lots of land. A bunch of commons. Okay. An uncommon artifact. Another uncommon. I can see a rare. Legendary creature, elf druid, and then another rare, shakedown heavy, and that's the foil. Okay, so was one of these, that's the promo card. Okay, so there's the promo card. Cool.